Let's discuss the 8 main external factors that are causing infertility amongst women today. Female infertility is characterized by the inability or the struggle to conceive naturally. Fertility issues can take a toll on an individual's physical, emotional, as well as mental state. So, what external factors could cause infertility in women? Number 1. Age. As women age, it is natural for their fertility to decline due to factors like lowered egg quality or quantity. Delayed marriage and childbearing decisions on account of various factors, including women's personal professional decisions and the socio-economic and cultural factors present in India, further exacerbate the risk and likelihood of future fertility problems. Number 2. Weight or obesity. Obesity or even being overweight can disrupt the body's hormonal balance and have a detrimental effect on the natural ovulation process, the menstrual cycle, leading to a high risk of potential female infertility. The adipose tissue in excessive amounts can impact the hormonal balance by increasing the estrogen and insulin levels, eventually impacting the ovulation process. Number 3. Exposure to harmful chemicals or radiation. Extensive exposure to chemicals found in pesticides, plastics, and industrial pollutants, as well as ionizing radiation, can create an adverse effect on the reproductive health of women. Prolonged exposure to these toxins can disrupt the hormonal balance, damage reproductive tissues, and even impair the functioning of the eggs, leading to infertility in women. Number 4. Smoking. The chemicals present in tobacco, including carbon monoxide and nicotine, can damage the DNA of the female's eggs, increase the oxidative stress, and accelerate the lowering of the ovarian reserve. Smoking has also been associated with the risk of endometriosis and ectopic pregnancy. Number 5. Alcohol consumption. Excessive consumption of alcohol is known to disrupt the hormonal balance of the body, have an effect on the estrogen levels, and disrupt the menstrual and ovulation cycle. Chronic alcohol consumption also presents the risk of impaired liver function, leading to lowered metabolism of hormones and toxins, furthering the risk of fertility problems. Number 6. Stress. Chronic stress has a negative impact on any individual's reproductive health. Release of high levels of stress hormones like cortisol can suppress the release of GnRH that is responsible for regulating the menstrual cycle in women. This eventually leads to an irregular menstrual cycle and even anovulation. Moreover, excessive stress affects the libido and sexual health of a person, further complicating the process of getting pregnant. Number 7. Genetics. Genetic factors such as chromosomal abnormalities or mutations in genes related to fertility are another common cause of infertility in women. These factors can influence multiple aspects of a woman's reproductive health, including production and maturation of eggs, hormone balance, and development of the reproductive organs. Number 8. Nutritional deficiency. Inadequate intake of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can adversely affect the reproductive health in women. Nutritional deficiencies can impair the production of hormones, disrupt ovulation process, and compromise the quality of the eggs released, leading to infertility. Hope we have been able to help you understand the external factors that result in female infertility. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments section. Thank you.